Hey guys, how you doing? It's Alfredo, and you've landed on this video most likely because you're researching Karbon or Karbon AI, the crypto auto trader, and you're looking to see if it's legit, if it's real, or maybe you just want to hear from people that are using it, some testimonials. So I have some other videos on YouTube, and you'll probably see them on the link below or towards the end of this video. It'll pop up somewhere on the left or right, depending on how you see it. But in any case, I just want to really quickly show you some of my proof. Okay, so this is about a little more than 2 weeks worth of being inside of Karbon AI, and it's there's two ways. There's two main ways to make money with this thing. The first way, obviously, is having the Karbon AI system trade for you passively. And that's what attracts most people, and that's what they want because trading manually is not as easy as some people make it to be on YouTube or whatever. It's a lot of stress, there's a lot of anxiety, especially when you see your money going up and down, and things happen, the market crashes. But I've been there, I witnessed it myself. I've had trades. I'm serious, I swear. Like I had a six-figure trade in one day, almost $100,000 in one day from one BTC trade, and then like a week later Bitcoin crashes, I lose 50 grand, 100 grand, like it's nothing. And it really creates a lot of stress and anxiety when you see things like that happening just like this, and the market takes your money, because the market doesn't care. The market doesn't care about you or your money. I mean, if you don't believe me, go look at the liquidation reports and you'll see millions and billions of dollars of liquidations, because they don't give a shit about money. So this is why the Karbon AI system is perfect for you, because you don't have to worry about that. It's going to trade safely for you on your account and never lose. So it takes away the stress from trading manually, the anxiety of not knowing if you're going to lose or not. It takes away the greed factor and all that, and it does it all for you conservatively and always wins. So I'm just going to show you my back office, show you some of my results right now. So I'm going to go into the assisted auto trader, because this is what you get when you sign up for Karbon. And there's my account. As you can see, at the moment, my balance in ByBit is about 9,700, just a little short of 9,700. There are two open trades right now, and these are if you watch my other video, you'll see what the stages are. These are basically money management stages that prevent you from liquidating or losing. Okay, but you'll learn more about that once you watch the full webinar below this video. But I just want to show you that out of 58, let's go over here. Now there's two open trades, but the other 56 have been closed and all in profit. All in profit, not one single loss. Okay, the Karbon system will not close any trades in a loss. Okay, so all 56 trades have been successfully closed and won and profit. Okay, so I'll go back to my dashboard. Actually, sorry, I'll go back to my assisted auto trader. So in total, I have about 9,700 in this account, but out of that, 1,300 was all profit from trades that were done automatically. Okay, I didn't have to do anything. I just log into my account, once or twice a day and just see what's going on. Okay, but there's nothing to do. If you go over here to the Karbon Academy, okay, not only does it give you the auto trader, which trades for you, but we have a full-blown academy, which obviously shows you how to get started. It shows you trading view. It gives you the indicator, shows you how to set up the bot. As you can see, I went through the entire course. Okay, I'm not playing. I take this thing serious. I went through the entire course, and then you have the connecting the bot section, and then this is what they call a beyond the bot section, which actually teaches you how to trade manually in a sub account. And some people are actually doing that, and they're doubling and tripling their profits just by adding this part to the auto trader. But like I said, more about that once you watch the webinar below this video. But so these are my personal stats on the assisted auto trader. And then, like I said, that's two ways to make money. So that's the first way. The second way is what we call the partner program, which is basically if you're an affiliate marketer. I know a lot of people on YouTube are, or Instagram, whenever you watch this video. If you're an affiliate marketer and you know how to refer people, they have a very great program that pays you out 40% on every direct sale. So as of today, like I said, this is a little more than 2 weeks of being in the program. So far, I've earned about a quarter Bitcoin, because you pay in Bitcoin, they pay you in Bitcoin, which is great because there's no refunds, no chargebacks, nothing like that. Straight Bitcoin to your wallet. As you can see here, and I successfully withdrew my money. Over a quarter Bitcoin, guys. A quarter Bitcoin. Like that's not too shabby for just sharing an amazing program like this that works. So those are the two ways. So like the headline said, okay, let's do the math real quick. Let's go back to the auto trader. So let's do a little bit of math. 1345, okay, plus let's do a roundabout of a quarter Bitcoin based on today's price. All right, 1047, and that's with Bitcoin being low. 10,474. All right, so that's almost $12,000 in just 2 weeks, a little more than 2 weeks of using this program, guys. It's really amazing. I can't stress how great this program is, how beneficial it is for you looking to make passive money and take away all the problems that come with manual trading, guys. So listen, that's my time. If you want to know more about the Karbon AI system or the Karbon, just simply click the link below this video. There's a full webinar. It goes through every single part of the product, how it trades, how it wins 100% of the time, how your money is managed. It gives you straight detail and you can see everything for yourself, so that way you can come into this program with full confidence knowing that you made the right decision, guys. So thanks again. Please, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, as I keep uploading videos every week on YouTube, you know, showing people how to trade and giving them amazing programs just like this, guys. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe, and also drop a comment. I reply to every single comment. Every comment. I check my comments every day. I reply to all of them. So if you have a question, you have something you want to say, just go ahead, put it in the comments below, and I'll make sure to reply. And all my social media information is below this video as well. So again, $11,819, just a little short of 12,000. That's being that Bitcoin is down at the moment. Just in a little over 2 weeks of using this program, guys. It's really amazing. I look forward to seeing you inside, and hopefully you make the right choice and get started. All right, guys, go ahead, click the link below this video, and make sure you watch the full webinar. Okay, guys, take care. My name is Alfredo, and see ya.